In today's digital age, cyber threats are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Organizations face significant risks that can disrupt operations and compromise sensitive data. Traditional security measures are no longer enough to combat these sophisticated threats. Understanding the need for a robust cybersecurity framework is crucial. Without it, organizations remain vulnerable to attacks that can have devastating consequences. Let's explore how we can fortify our defenses against these ever-evolving threats. NIST CSF 2.0 is the latest version of the cybersecurity framework, offering a comprehensive approach to managing cybersecurity risks. It's a game changer for organizations looking to enhance their security posture. This framework provides a structured methodology to identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover from cyber threats. Let's delve into why NIST CSF 2.0 is essential for modern cybersecurity strategies. The framework is built around 5 core functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Each function plays a vital role in creating a holistic cybersecurity strategy. Version 2.0 introduces updates and enhancements that address emerging threats and technologies. Understanding these components is key to implementing an effective cybersecurity framework. Adopting NIST CSF 2.0 involves a step-by-step process tailored to your organization's needs. Real-world examples demonstrate successful implementation and highlight common challenges faced during adoption. Overcoming these challenges requires commitment and collaboration across departments. By embracing this framework, organizations can significantly enhance their cybersecurity resilience. Implementing NIST CSF 2.0 enhances risk management and decision-making capabilities. It fosters improved communication and collaboration across departments, leading to a more unified security approach. With increased resilience against cyber threats, organizations can better protect their assets and maintain operational continuity. The benefits of adopting this framework are clear and impactful. Recapping the importance of NIST CSF 2.0, it's evident that adopting this framework strengthens your organization's cybersecurity posture. By implementing it, you'll be better equipped to handle cyber threats. Start your journey today by assessing your current cybersecurity practices. Together, we can build a safer digital environment. Take the first step towards a more secure future with NIST CSF 2.0. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you.